Viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. How are you, my dear subscriber and viewers? In this video, I will show you and discuss about the short Bob Pixie haircut. Short Bob Pixie haircut is the mesmerizing styles that has taken the world by storm, captivating the hearts of fashion enthusiasts and the beauty afforded alike. The interesting cut is the symphony of sophistication and sass, perfectly blending the classic elegance of the pop with the eggy charm of a pixie. As the sincere source of the magics, the hair is transformed into the stunning look of art with the choppy hair that dance around the jawline, accentuating the face's natural contours. The short pixie haircut is the masterclass in the versatility, effortlessly and adapting to any occasions. You are looking to make a statement at a formal event and simply want a stylish. It is the symmetry and the translating texture. The haircut is the sure to draw the enticing glance and spark away, making it the ultimate choice for those who seeking a style that exudes confidence, creativity, and a touch of rebellious flair. So why not to join the rank of the fashion fearlessness and the idyllic and the allure of the short bob, a haircut that promise to revolutionize your look and unleash your inner icon. In this video, I will discuss the endless styles of short haircuts, and the asymmetrical undercut is the one of the most famous hairstyle. A stylish cut when one side is shorter than the other and the pair with the undercut for a sleek modern look. Pixie mop is the shortcut hairstyle, a short choppy style with the fringes that add a touch of the playfulness and the whimsy. Bob with the twisted, a classic bob with the surprising twist. Literally, the hair is twisted and the tongued under, creating the fascinating texture. Short layer with the pop of color, a short layer cut with the bold and the splash of colors, adding a fun of eggy vibes. The chin length sag, a short choppy sag which reaches the chin, perfect for those with a heart-shaped face and the desire for low maintenance style. Short quiff, a stylish cut where the hair is the brushed up with their sides, creating a sleek and a genius look. Undercut pixie haircut is one of the famous short hairstyle, a bold style which combines the elegance of a pixie cut with the elegance of the undercut. Short layer with the fringes, a short layer, the pair with the fringes that added a touch of sophistication and glamour. Asymmetrical bob is the one of the famous and the stylish short hairstyle, where one side is shorter than the other, adding a touch of the whimsy and flair. Short spiky style, a short spiky cut that perfect for those with a square jawline and desire for a gold and bold eggy look. These unique short hairstyles are sure to inspire your next look. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you soon into the next video. Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Short and Bob Pixie Haircut.